Hey guys, this is Invest Now America podcast. Here's one thing I'm going to start doing. I'm going to start what's called the Black American Index Fund. It's not a business. It's just some information I'm going to be sharing, and that information is going to be focused on black companies that are publicly traded, and there are roughly probably like 12 black companies that are publicly traded. And as you know, there are thousands and thousands of publicly traded companies. But there are 12 that would be considered black owned. And I'm going to focus on 4 out of the 12. I will add more to it if I see those other companies doing a little better than what they're doing. I'll be perfectly frank with you. There are 1 or 2 companies I think they're no longer in business. I just haven't been able to confirm it. And then another company, a black-owned company, it had the ticker symbol GBT. I think it has been purchased by Pfizer. Man, it was doing great. And then, boom, Pfizer bought it. And heck, I wouldn't blame Pfizer for buying it, and I wouldn't blame the owners for selling it. I mean, I know those owners, if they sold it, as I suspect they have, I don't have 100% confirmation, but I suspect they have. Boy, they're walking around with millions in their pockets. But anyway, let me share with you the 4 black-owned, publicly traded companies I'm going to be following. One is Urban One, ticker symbol UONEK. That's a good one. Its market cap is around $226 million. It does not pay a dividend. And right now, as of today, its stock price is $4.96. Again, as you know, stock prices fluctuate on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. And, I'm going to be telling you more details about it in the future. But one of them is Urban One. The other one is American Shared Hospital Service. As of this moment, it's selling at about $3 and some change. Its market cap is $19 million. Not a whole lot of money, $19 million. And it does not pay a dividend. And then the third one, let me get this sheet out here. The third one is Carver Bank. It's based in Harlem. I have a real heart for things in Harlem. I've used to sort of work up in Harlem, spend time up in Harlem. I just absolutely love it. My father taught me about the Harlem Renaissance, and I just read everything and anything I could at one point in my life about the Harlem Renaissance. This bank, Carver Bank, is based in Harlem. Its ticker symbol CRV. At the present time, its stock is around $6. Its market cap is around $24-25 million. Not a whole lot of money, but it's better than zero, right? It does not pay a dividend. Then the last one here, it's one of the most interesting ones, is RLJ Lodging Trust. It's a real estate investment trust. It does pay a dividend. It's something that I think people should really pay attention to. It's not a big dividend it pays, but still, it pays a dividend. At the current time, its selling price is around $12. Now, I am not a financial advisor. I'm someone who focuses on giving information, educating folks, etc., and encouraging folks to do their due diligence. So I do encourage folks to do their due diligence on these four companies. I own them. Through Ameritrade. I've been happy with the performance so far. They have been, it's been going down, but the overall stock market at the present time hasn't been doing well. And, really when you go into the stock market, in my opinion, you don't buy the stock, you buy the company. So I've looked at these 4 companies rather extensively. And what I've found, I'm going to share with folk. And I really think these are companies that people should research, and this should definitely research. And after I've done my research, I said to myself, well, these are some companies I'm going to buy and hold for a while. And I'm just going to share information with them about them to folks, as many folks who will listen.